Where are you going?
I am going to Ata.
And some of you?
I am going with you. Today we are making an English vlog.
अज बरसा का काफ़ी चांस है इनू मौसम सुठी है जुड़ जामा है in English में
Today's weather is so beautiful. There are so many chances of rain. It may be rain before sunset.
This is banana.
Banana tree.
We live in Pakistan and this is banana in our village Bakar Nizamani. This is cotton tree.
What this tree is called in your language? Please comment down to show me your answer. Konya bana?
ऐसा चलो
Konyan? Konyan? Konyo. It is called konyo in our language, and it seems that it is an English word. So let me correct it.
we check in Google.
My English is very good. The person behind you is a 50 of goat. He buy the mayo. Will you say something? Would you like to say something?
No.
Because you are sharming.
No.
You have much knowledge about goat, so please say something about this goat.
Knowledge about goat. I just know something about buffalo.
Buffaloes?
Yep.
Just little bit knowledge you have. You must have.
No, I don't know.
Here, come here.
Here, bro.
To broken his mobile, please come here.
You are insulting me. That's why I'm not. ये ठपाना तो कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं?
ये पुट्टियों ना मजा.
ये तो यार. पुट्टियों भी
These goats are eating.
जंतरी है.
पुट्टियों.
जंतर.
जंतर कौन है? बना पन्ना दे.
पन्ना पुट्टियों जाप कौन है?
Show them. Hey, show them. These are cotton tree, and these goats are eating cotton because they are destroyed. They are ruined because here is very lack of water. There is no plenty of water. Because of these field is totally ruined. अब ये तबाह बनी तबाह है, ठीक है ना? समझो करें सिंधी समझो. आणि ಅವರೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ದಿನ ಆಗಿದ तो जेंट्स अंगरे कड़िया what is the English of gents? Gender means नर मादी, male female. Gents is in
like sex.
in बकरियों type. What type of goat is this? Is this correct? ले बचा करो.
Chach. Enggak ada lanya.
नंबर बढ़िया अच्छी है कारण फोन चार है ना
Now let's go another place. We are finding boring like tube well. Abdul Kai, what do you think about whether rain or not?
is because of the humidity it is very low, so maybe it can be rain. It should be rain today, but you know we had too much heat today.
But this is our village.
This is our village. It is very bad village. There are many Tarakama has been done.
Abdul Samad, where are you going?
Person. He is a shy person.
Just walking or find something. We should go to well
We all
because
must learn to face the camera like me.
I can't.
Even though he can't. As well. Let's discuss about the road.
Abdul Kai, what do you think about
This
this
is our
road?
main road from Tandamangan to
This is
Yes, this is our main road. There
I
are
can't believe.
no lines of the. This is maybe one way only, but there are two lanes. Two cars even cannot cross each other.
It is a
One must
WDF.
stop. One must stop. Then other can go. So how can we call this main road?
Okay, we
I was
let's.
side in motorcycle is coming. How motorcycle? Okay, let's go to the rice field.
Okay. हाँ तुम समझो हिंदी में सवाल पूछा कभी अंग्रेजी में जवाब ना इज मे बी टायर्ड
भाई घूंगुआ फाइनली असी पंहिंजी मंज़िल ते पहुचण वारा आहियूं
वी गॉट इट मंजिल अब्दुल समद लुक एट मोबाइल
well
Oh no, what is this?
this is a well for the water maybe this is
This is a big dig
yes this is not well
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 सिंधी में असीं खूह चवंदा आहियूं अंग्रेजी में अलाए छा चवंदा आहिनि अब्दुल कवी सेव वेल
there are basically two machines for the water to mathe khana from the zameen I don't know what is the English of these things so I am mixing my boli
That's
my
good.
language. So this pipe is used for the water from the land from earth and the other pipe let them show the other pipe. The other pipe is used to bring water from a water. Did you understand? Bring water from a water.
Let's see.
Yes, we'll show them. This is the water, and its water come from maybe Channel River. It is also called I forgot the name. Channel River.
जो
Channel River सही जोड़ा है.
चैनल भी असली नालो है हम बताइए चैनल है सदाई
नालो आया है. चाहिए ने मैंने पानी लो ये भी मशीन ला रखी है. ये देखो. ये तो बी मशीन. This is another machine. These both machines are run by the diesel, and the rate of diesel in Pakistan is 120 rupees per liter. So let's go to the rest of into the tractor.
What is this?
In our language, this is called hauti for the water, and some people also
Washing.
take bath here in the garmi like this today, but unfortunately it is not running. This is our bella.
This is Abdul Samad. After few minutes maybe
As we said, he is tired.
dead.
As we said, he is tired.
Wow, nice banana. I like it.
After the Vadopanda,
After long
I am very thirsty to drink water. Very well. Also, someone, will you drink?
Sama just watch.
So, you like my learning on there.
मौसम जुटी नहीं होने का
हाँ यार अल्लाह. Please give some comments about our villa game. What should we do for the best villa? We have a Vivo mobile camera, and I am not a hungry. Just making a fun for you.
पानी क्यों पियन में
Beautiful, zabardast. It was so cool. Very very cool. Do you want to drink?
Yes, I want to drink.
My hairs are too much.
Will take my mobile. ಬಾಕ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಲ್ವಾ इनके तकरीबन 13 महीना ध्यान तभी किलो ॾिसी सघो त बाक़ाइदे सुठो किलो आहे ये किलो तव्हांखे ना वणे तव्हीं कमेंट हणिजो ऐं इन केले जा मालिक ही बहन ये किलो आहे अब्दुल कवी जो अब्दुल कवी रईस अब्दुल कवी
I am a Gharvi Pamano. Why you are watching my name?
because this is banana
I am Kujana.
viewers.
I have Kujana. These bananas are really mine, just to see, not to sell. ये दिन विजय please say something to our viewers.
I want to say
That you are disturbing us.
very beautiful sight in front of me. So please,
Cut.
No,
It
no,
is
no,
an
no.
ending. So just say, please like our video
No, you just
and
say that.
मेहरबानी करें subscribe our channel.
You just say that. I won't say
I am
that.
saying that, then you must stop. Please silent for a moment.
That's what I was saying to you. You just talk. You are
All recording, you were silent. Now do not disturb me.
you are very
Do not
horrified.
disturb me.
You are very horrified. That's why I'm just I don't know.
What guys will you say about him? He was lazy. Just to the whole our working time. Now he's saying something, I don't know why. See the truck. Look there. Only truck can run there. No else vehicle can cross the truck. Even though truck is running on this road. Very, very illegal.
आखिरी जुमलो
Okay,
चाहिए
like
सब्सक्राइब
our
करो
channel. Please do subscribe and comment that what we have done is